understand market efficiency and its importance to the investment practitioners. Capital market efficiency refers to the current price of the security, okay, that quickly and rationally reveals the information about the particular security, and it is a statistical in nature because the values and information are quite numerical. Like it talks about the industry's performance, company's performance, and how the economy is performing with respect to that security. Secondly, this efficient capital market, okay, here investors use a passive strategy, okay. Passive strategy means they buy the security and hold it, okay, rather than active strategy. Here the transaction cost and the management fees are higher, okay. Another method to calculate this capital market efficiency is the turnaround time of the trading, okay, the time it takes for the trading to occur. Like for some markets, when this turnaround time of trading is higher, then the market is less efficient. When it is lesser, it is more efficient. And like for some market, it is as short as 1 minute, yes, just 1 minute, okay. And for companies, okay, the securities where to the company where they belong, okay, if the companies information or their results are anticipatory, okay, then it will not have any impact on their prices. But for some results which are not anticipatory, then then it will impact the prices. Suppose the company is anticipating a 10% hike in the net earnings, but it got a 45% or 40%, then it will impact the price of the security, okay. Now let us see what is the intrinsic value and the fundamental value and the market value. Market value, it refers to the current price of the security, and intrinsic or the fundamental value is the one, okay, it is the value where here the investor who is knowledgeable about the particular security will agree to pay the price and purchase that particular security. Say for example, a bond investor who is completely knowledgeable about the bond's price, maturity, coupon rate, default risk, okay, the price he will be able to, or he will agree to pay and purchase the bond is the intrinsic value. Now we will see the factors that affect the market efficiency. First we will see the information, okay. More information is available, more efficient the market is, and lesser information available, lesser efficient the market is. So when, like for developed countries, there the information are quite high or plentiful, then the market becomes efficient, very efficient as compared to the emerging markets. Say for example, New York Stock Exchange, here the information availability is plentiful, abundant, and so the market is very efficient, okay. Next is the participant to the market. When higher number of participants are available in the market becomes very efficient. Say for example, when the analysts, traders, investors are available in the market becomes very efficient, okay. And some countries, they do not allow the foreign investors, okay, so for them the market efficiency becomes limited, okay. Third is the impediment to trading, okay. Here, like arbitrage, as we know, here in arbitrage, buying an asset in one market at one price and selling the same asset at a higher price, okay. So and this will happen unless and until the prices of that particular asset or security becomes same at both the places, okay. And here to this trading activity, here the impediment to this trading activity will occur when the transaction cost will be higher, okay, and information will not be available, then this impediment to trading will take place. So that is about the market efficiency, the intrinsic value, and the factors that affect the market efficiency. Thank you very much.